Please carefully cut the plastic protective film on the outside, do not scratch the board, and then remove the holders on the 4 corners. Please carefully check whether the accessories are complete. According to the instructions, please contact us in any case. Find the screw and fasten all the plates with white rubber holes, and lock with a screw. Refer to the instruction manual. Take out the back plate of the screw, find the corresponding hole position of the screw between the plates, and connect the interior panel to the back plate in order. Find the slightly larger round hole corresponding to the eccentric wheel at the board-to-board connection, and use the eccentric wheel to lock the board-to-board connection. Tighten it with a screwdriver. Find the left panel, align the left panel with the holes, and connect it to the interior panel and the back panel. You can gently tap the wooden boards during installation to make them more fit. After the assembly is completed, lock the connection with the eccentric wheel. Locate the transparent right side panel. As with the left side panel, connect the transparent right side panel to the holes, and connect all interior trim panels and the back panel, and lock with the eccentric wheel. Find the top plate and the bottom plate, connect the screw to the left side plate, the right side plate, and the cathead plate, corresponding to the corresponding holes, and lock with the eccentric wheel. Find the guardrail. Align the guardrail with the holes drilled on the shaped inner layer board, and use long screws to tighten the screws from the bottom of the shaped inner layer board to fix the guardrail. Find the stairs and tighten the screws from the bottom of the special shaped board with short screws according to the punched holes. Find the universal wheel according to the holes in the four corners of the bottom of the caterpillar, corresponding to the universal wheel, and fix it with short screws. Find the door panel that we have hinged for you. Tighten it with short screws according to the punching position on the left side panel. Find the buckle and install the buckle to the corresponding position of the door panel with short screws according to the hole position. The installation order of the buckle and the handle does not affect the installation, and it is decided according to personal preference. Find the handle and the special screw for the handle, and connect the special screw for the handle from the door panel to the outside according to the hole position, and tighten it. Fix the door suction with short screws according to the punched holes, and remove the protective film.